Good afternoon and welcome to the I'm Dealing With broadcast. I'm Shon, your host. We are actually in our new studio that we've just created to bring you more content for I'm Dealing With. Right now you may be hearing an echo because I'm just using the shotgun mount that's located on my camera at this point because I have yet to link up my mixer, my zoom, wherever it's at, to the camera. And once I have that linked up, you'll be able to hear all the awesome quality and sound that you've been hearing on the audio podcast. So once again, this is testing out our new studio space here at I'm Dealing With. Maybe you probably can't see it, but right out of the frame here, there's a fan even playing because it's a little bit hot. And just had that plan right now, moving to blow some air in this space. So I hope you're liking it. I'm going to show you some different things while you're listening and watching this video. So this will be real quick. I will not change the lights because as you can see, I have right out of the shot here, up here, there is an LED light that is an RGB via remote control that can be changed on a whim through my cell phone. And right behind me, back here, behind the table here, there is an RGB light there, and then there's one on the other side of the table just out of the picture as well. So, and I'm knocking out my headphones and doing everything else. So I have, right now, I just have this mic just sitting here. It does work, I just don't have it hooked up. I'm not plugged in right now. I don't even have the mixer and everything. So right out of the shot here, I have my Yamaha mixer. I also have a phone mount that's actually in a case that's elevated, so that way I can also take phone calls and do interviews via the phone. On the other side here, you can see there's another mic right. Well, you can't see it because it's out of the shot. So there's another mic here. There's another condenser mic here in the back, and then right behind me, this one you can see that one. So here's another one as well. So anyway, again, we have quite a few things coming to you here at I'm Dealing With, just for you, for our YouTube page, as well as coming to their Instagram, as well as being able to post on Facebook. And also, right out of the shot, right up here, I have, you can barely see them, but I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 lights above that give me plenty of light inside this space. So let me show you via a dimmer what can happen with this, because as you see the lights changing and getting brighter. So I can do that as well, or I can take them completely to make it almost completely dark. Alright, so I'm going to do something quick, and I'm going to turn off the exterior lighting. See what we can do. I'll turn these on here. Okay, so I'm going to bring those up so you can see that light. And again, I'm just going to leave this blue for the time being so you can actually see it. And over here, I also have another light that's actually off at this point that I can use. Okay, now as you can see, hey, I'm a little bit blue. I look like a Smurf, right? But anyway, I can adjust the lights as needed to whatever I need. So if I want more lights here to give you more that look, yeah, it's a little orange, I get it. So there are going to be some adjustments via the camera and some other settings that we're going to have to do. So there's that look there. And then let me change it one more again. Bring this back down via the dimmer. I can give you that light there. And let me change it one more time. Okay, so as you can see, I do have quite a bit of light to work with. So I will turn these lights in the background down. So now I'm getting a nice soft white out of that light there. And if I really want to completely change the background without moving all this out of the way, I can just turn off. So, as you can see, no more blue at all. So now you can see the walls the way they are with just that light on. Or I can turn these on and get more of a different type of orange glow. Kind of makes me look like hot red, but we have that option. But anyway, I hope that you like this video, so stay tuned. This week, a lot more coming to you. Matter of fact, my first upload on both our podcast page, they're always going to be on Mondays and Fridays. So our next upload for the podcast will be on this Friday, so stay tuned. They're usually uploaded by 3 p.m. on Friday. Every Monday and Friday, always by 3 p.m. So stay tuned. You can find me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, you name it, I'm on it. Stay tuned, more coming at you.